Today we will build a cardboard tilt maze. Let's get to it. This is a sample cardboard tilt maze. The way that this one is going to work is that you have to start by entering through the yellow arc. Then you'll move on to pass under the blue arc, and after that enter between the red and yellow pieces of paper. After you enter that opening, you have to go around the outside of the yellow piece of paper and come out between the green and yellow pieces of paper. After you exit, you must go around the inside of the yellow piece of paper and then travel your way down the piece of cardboard until you reach this small blue opening, which you then have to pass through. After you pass through the second blue opening, you have to then proceed and exit through the third blue opening, like this. Now I'm going to show you how to build a few different types of obstacles for your cardboard maze. Let's start with a paper arch. To build a paper arch, you need a strip of paper and 2 pieces of tape. First, take one of the pieces of tape and place it close to the edge of the piece of paper, but making sure that some of the tape goes off the paper on both sides. Then, go to the other side of the paper and do the exact same thing. You should have something that looks a little like this, with no tape on the opposite side. When you're ready to apply it to your cardboard, you first must push the 2 outer edges in to create a small arch that's big enough for a ball to fit through. Then, you simply have to put the arc where you want it and press down on the pieces of tape that touch cardboard. As you can see, it should be large enough that a ball can easily fit through it. Now, let's try and build a paper wall. You need 2 pieces of tape and a strip, just like the arch. But unlike the arch, you want to put 1 piece of tape so that half of it is on the paper and half of it is off, again, near the edge. But then you want to flip the piece of paper over and then place another piece of tape with, again, half on, half off, not just on the other side, but on the other edge, of the paper as well. So you should have 1 piece of tape here, and if you flip it over and rotate it around, you should have another piece of tape here. Once you are ready, you should bend these pieces of tape over to their respective sides so that they don't stick, but that they are bent, so that you should have something that looks like this, with the sticky sides of the tape on the bottom here. So it's sticky, sticky, not sticky, not sticky. Then you can place your wall wherever you want. You can put it so that it's straight with both pieces of paper stuck. You can place it so that it is curved. And you can even place it in weird figures like an S. I'm going to want to make mine curved. Once you're ready to apply, just make sure your bent pieces of tape are touching the cardboard at some area and press down to get a secure bond to the cardboard. And now you have an easy wall which your ball will roll right off of. Now you have the ability, knowledge, and materials to make your own awesome cardboard maze. Let's have some fun.